All right, about to be near halfway through the first official week of May. May 7th, 2024. CN Hayes here. 2043 coming to you from Ladysmith with a video lined up. Southbound is here. Check them out on the roll by as we lean back and get them. Here we go. Dash 9 to lead. 3302 now. 3201. I didn't expect 3302 to be back. Why not? S774 end of train devices going. How about that? A sand empty with extra cars up front. Why not? So that will do it for today's S774, 81 of the 7th. And we'll do it for the C6M rebuild of the first batch of the 3302 once again. As I've seen that, probably from a while back. I don't know when. But happy to say that she's back for more. And along for the ride was ET44AC3251. So that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith on this rainy evening. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.